welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an informative video that will show you how to effectively clean a burnt iron, including the bottom or sole plate, using simple ingredients like white vinegar and baking soda. Don't miss out any tips in this video for the best results, and subscribe to our channel to get all the household tips and tricks you don't want to miss. Let's get started. Have you ever accidentally left your iron on for too long or had fabric melt onto the sole plate? Don't worry. It happens to the best of us. But with the right cleaning technique, you can restore your iron's performance and make it look brand new again. To begin, we'll need two simple ingredients: white vinegar and baking soda. These household items are excellent for removing burnt-on residue and restoring the iron's functionality. First, unplug your iron and let it cool down completely. Once it's cooled, dampen a cloth with white vinegar. Make sure the cloth is not dripping wet, but slightly damp. Now, take the damp cloth and gently wipe the sole plate of the iron. Pay extra attention to the burnt or stained areas. The acidic nature of the vinegar helps dissolve the burnt residue, making it easier to remove. Next, we'll use baking soda to further clean and polish the sole plate. Take a clean cloth and dip it into the baking soda. Make sure the cloth is coated but not saturated. Now, use the baking soda cloth to gently scrub the sole plate in circular motions. The mild abrasiveness of baking soda helps remove any remaining burnt residue, stains, or discoloration. Once you've scrubbed the sole plate, take a clean cloth and wipe off any remaining baking soda residue. Make sure to remove all the baking soda to avoid any particles getting stuck inside the iron. Now, let's clean the inside of the iron. Fill the water reservoir with white vinegar. Use enough vinegar to cover the steam vents. Plug in the iron and turn it to the steam setting. Allow it to heat up for a few minutes until the vinegar steams. Once the vinegar has steamed, unplug the iron and carefully pour out the vinegar from the water reservoir. Be cautious as the vinegar will be hot. Lastly, fill the water reservoir with clean water and repeat the process of steaming until the water runs clear. This will help remove any residual vinegar from the iron. Once you've completed the steaming process, unplug the iron and let it cool down. Then, take a clean cloth and wipe the entire iron, including the sole plate, to remove any remaining residue or moisture. And there you have it. Your burnt iron is now clean and ready. If possible, use distilled water in your iron instead of tap water. Tap water often contains minerals that can build up over time and affect the iron's performance. Distilled water helps minimize the risk of mineral deposits. Remember, a clean iron not only improves its efficiency but also ensures your clothes are wrinkle-free and looking their best. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.